I'm going to do a quick tutorial on creating a mechanic using the Florist netting. So what I'm looking at right now is a 5-inch vase, and this is an 11-inch wire. It also comes in 18. So if we do a 11-inch and we fold that in half, that's going to give me enough surface to cover the top of my vase. So I look at it and then I see how far down I need to cut. And I usually try to count that so I'm consistent in each one of the floral pillows that I'm creating. So I look at this and I'm thinking, well, this is about where it needs to be. And I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 or 8 that we're doing here. And then we're going to cut in between those. So I'm doing my cut, leaving enough on each side so that it will allow me to be able to bring those together. Now I have my piece. I'm going to put this down and I want to roll this so that there is some overlap in what we're doing. Okay, and line those up. And then I'm going to flatten them so that my ends come together. I want to be able to bring those ends together and take a needle nose. This is the Oasis jewelry one. You can do that, or you can use an actual needle nose. This seems to work fine. And I'm just twisting that. So I usually start in the middle of both sides so that I have it consistent. Take this and do the same on the other side. Twist. I twist them and then I turn them inward, because you're keeping in mind that you don't want a customer or one of your designers or yourself to get cut. But what I love is that these are not sharp because it's covered with a plastic that keeps it from rusting as well as cutting someone. So we're twisting and turning in. And you can see it's pretty fast to do this. So twist, turn in. Again, twist and turn in. So we have that, and then this one as well, twist and turn in. So we have one side, we did the same on the other, and then you have a pillow. You can do 100 of these at a time, you know, and then they can just stack and they're ready for you when you're going to pull them up and use them for your mechanic. Now on a 6-inch, we're going to do something that's a little larger, because this, as you can see, is not going to come to the edge of my container and give me the enough of surface space that I need to be able to do my insertions. So I look and I say, okay, well, I could probably still do the side to side. This is giving me enough. I'm going to make it a little bit longer. And on this one, I am not going to overlap it as much because I need that extra surface space. So I'm still doing a slight overlap before I squish her down. And you can see now that's that much wider because I didn't overlap it as much. The pillow is going to be able to expand and cover my surface on that. Then I use the same process with my needle nose pliers to have one that's a little bit larger for our larger vase. So take a look at the container that you want to use or that you typically use and have those pillows ready for each one of the size designs if you choose to use for the arrangements. I think it's really smart just creating it to sit on the top, and then you can use it in all these clear vases and no one knows except for you and then your customers later.